This is the beautiful Santiago Bernabeu stadium where Real Madrid have plied their trade so successfully for decades. Martin Tyler here along with Alan Smith. The match has so much potential and kick-off is just moments away. It's Real Madrid against Liverpool.
Yeah, thanks Martin. Looking forward to this. We've got some really good players out there, and importantly we've got some match winners, some goal scorers down on that pitch. And I don't think we'll be disappointed.
This is the Real Madrid lineup. Thibaut Courtois starts in goal. Sergio Ramos plays with Rafael Varane in central defence. Toni Kroos starts with Luka Modric in the centre of the park. Karim Benzema is the lone striker today. This is the Liverpool side. One thing to look out for from this team today is the way they try and win the ball back within seconds of losing it.
Yeah, and they don't do it individually. They get backed up by a teammate. They hunt in packs, and you've got to do that. You've got to do it with discipline.
Well, we usually have a little bit of time on our hands when we come to these games, Alan, and another chance to look at that trophy room. It's a wonderful facility for the football and a few other things as well to visit, isn't it?
Well, it takes you hours to go round because there's so many trophies in there. It's the third most visited museum in the city. 1.5 million punters a year going through there.
Here's Casemiro. Kroos. Sergio Ramos. Modric. Toni Kroos. It's a good way to nick the ball back. Quick thinking. Roberto Firmino. Cross for Mane. A goal for Liverpool.
This is certainly a poacher's effort, the way he's just latched onto it quickly, the way he's got there ahead of the defenders.
The goal, wherever you look at it, it was very well taken. Liverpool have the lead here. Kroos. Marcelo. He's got possession back for his team. Joe Gomez. And that will be Liverpool's throw-in. Taking on a couple of opponents now. Dangerous ball, dealt with by the goalkeeper's punch. Here's Casemiro. Rafael Varane. Bale. Modric. Saw the direction of the pass. Benzema. A strong player, and he shielded it well. Now they can swing into attack, and he's got some help. Well, in it goes. He's gone for the header, but not got the goal.
Well, he's timed it well enough, just couldn't get that direction.
And that was the chance to hit the target. That's what will disappoint him. He didn't even work the goalkeeper.
No, he didn't, and his technique has let him down badly there.
Fabinho. Wijnaldum. Virgil van Dijk. It's really passive play at the moment by the defending team. Jordan Henderson. Chance to get the ball in the box. Corner now for Liverpool. Alan, let's have your view again on the attempt from Modric.
Well, I'm guessing that he's not going to try that again in a hurry, particularly after his manager gets into him after this match.
Swung in from the corner. Henderson. Now the possibility for a cross. It's gone all the way out for a throw. Tight to the touchline and another throw. Modric. Carvajal. Now Casemiro. Marcelo. Kroos. Now Casemiro. Benzema. Got his foot in to cut out the pass. Fabinho. Wijnaldum. Trent Alexander-Arnold. Henderson. And it is Firmino who gets the ball to feet in a deeper position. Probing away, working away at the opposition with these passes. Compliment the defender, but not the player trying to cross it. Gareth Bale. Now Casemiro. Karim Benzema. Carvajal. Made a quick interception.
Liverpool with less possession so far, but they have played some slick, really beautiful football out there. The way that they've broke out from defence, it's just been the pace of the play and the way that they've chosen the passes. It's been so clinical.
That's the way to win the ball back. That's a great interception. Fabinho. Firmino! Can't hang onto it, the keeper. Henderson. Alexander-Arnold. Wijnaldum. Jordan Henderson. Fabinho. Roberto Firmino. With Fabinho again. That's offside. The referee has stopped the play as soon as the flag went up. Every time you watch Liverpool, you expect them to score. They've done that, and half-time coming close. They're looking okay.
They're looking okay, but it's still very tight. The opposition, they're a dangerous team.
Goalkeeper on his toes, off his line, and he can kick it away. Modric. Well, he's better than that. It's a poor pass. Fabinho. Robertson. I would guess in this possession play here, they're trying to get the opposition to come out and harry them and maybe bend past their way through them. Quick passing from Liverpool to open up the opposition if they can. Sergio Ramos stepping in with a challenge. Fabinho. It's Mane. To Robertson. Wijnaldum. Now Sadio Mane. Jorginho, Wijnaldum. Well, they could have been opened up there. Firmino! And he's caught that right, but just off target.
Not too much wrong with the technique there. Look at the manager. He knows that miss might just come back to haunt his team. They could have gone 2 up there.
Carvajal. Bale. Oh, he spotted the pass and cut it out. Sadio Mane. Robertson. Now Sadio Mane. Put into the box by Mane. The keeper stops it. There could be a follow-up now. That's half-time at 1-0.
Eh sì, sono proprio io. E io quando voglio il piacere di una gomma speciale, scelgo Happydent.
Certo, perché Happydent è il chewing gum che non attacca i denti.
Be happy with Happydent.
Il cinema al cinema, il cinema in TV. E questo mese Chuck fa Chuck su 22 pagine dedicate all'home video e cinema in TV. Ritornano gli Yuppies. Auguri di buon anno da Chuck con il calendario 87 Cattivi soggetti. Chuck, la rivista italiana tutta di cinema.
Can Liverpool replicate a good first half in the second period, which is now underway? Trent Alexander-Arnold. Pleasing on the eye, and no great risk at the moment in their own half. And they are winning the match, of course. Divock Origi taking on a couple of opponents now. Looking to clip it into the middle, but the defender getting in the way. Become a rather defensive policy here for the team that's camped really in its own half at the moment, and that does let the opposition have free possession. They can really come at you. It's risky. Fabinho trying to spot a potential ball to open them up, but they're keeping the ball well. Liverpool want to make an alteration. They're going to bring a new player on. Marcelo. Sergio Ramos. Here's Casemiro. Modric. Set up to play on the break now. Carvajal, probing pass. Benzema. And that's what a coach would want, to stop the supply into the middle. Two substitutions to come, one from each camp. In from Kroos. The header is off the target.
Yeah, it just didn't connect properly. I don't know if it came off his shoulder. He knows it, the manager. A golden opportunity to get back on level terms. That was really slack by the striker.
And it's Liverpool who are going to make a switch. Benzema. Now Casemiro. Keeping the ball so important, they haven't done it. Mohamed Salah. James Milner. Very good forward thinking from Liverpool, always on the front foot. Does he want to cross it now? He could. That certainly helps the goalkeeper and those in the middle to stop the cross. Out in front of goal. They pressed well, and now they might be in. Important challenge now, he must get the ball away. Alexander-Arnold. Squandering possession cheaply, really, with that pass. Sergio Ramos. Marcelo. Here's Casemiro. Sergio Ramos. Kroos. Now Casemiro. Toni Kroos. Well, he clears the danger. He got plenty of distance into the clearance, but actually it's going to come back at them again. They've got the ball back by that interception. Into the attacking third. And that will clear the danger. Robertson. Well, the cross could come in here. It's a deep cross towards the back post. The ball's loose. Goalkeeper made the save, but he couldn't hold it. Confident enough to take it on the volley.
Yeah, it is one of the hardest techniques going.
Still 20 minutes to go. He's just dropped back in, the striker there, to get the ball in midfield. Now Keita. Mohamed Salah. It's Origi. Jorginho Wijnaldum. Carvajal.
Well, the Real Madrid fans might criticise them afterwards if they lose, but they're fully behind their players at the moment.
Encouraging play from this team now. Keeping the ball. Taking on the defenders. Dani Carvajal gets a cross in. Proper defending, under some pressure. Kroos lost the ball. Robertson. Wijnaldum. Robertson. Real Madrid pushing and pressing for this equaliser.
Well, it will create some waves if they end up losing this one.
Origi looking to create an opening. Wijnaldum. Opportunity to play it into the middle. Good anticipation by the defender. I like the look about Liverpool today. Haven't been any phases of the game where they've looked vulnerable, and the win that they deserve should soon be claimed. Real Madrid will make the substitution now. Well, this is how the game, many people believe, should be played. It's always been a passing game, but they pass with purpose too.
They have, and I love the way they're using the full width of the pitch here.
It comes out off the goalkeeper. Seven minutes to go. Real Madrid, a goal adrift, time against them, but they've got such quality still.
Well, the crowd are doing the best to urge their players on here, and time is running out.
Saw it coming, cut it out, good work. Origi. Here's Naby Keita. It's Origi. Milner. Chance to cross it. Great tackling technique to win the ball cleanly. Made the tackle. Added time coming up. There will be 2 minutes of it. Real Madrid want to make an alteration from the bench. Now Keita. Divock Origi. Now Sadio Mane. Got his foot in to cut out the pass. And it's come to an end now as the referee blows the whistle for the last time.